In number one, we have a subtraction, and we're going to view this as an addition. Again, we're just going to attach the subtraction symbol to the second number and view this as an addition. -3, and we're adding -5. Add two negatives, add in the usual way, and the answer is negative. Okay, here we're doing the same type of thing. We're going to spread apart these numbers, attach the subtraction symbol to the second number, and I'm doing a very faint addition symbol here. That will just imagine. -30 and -10. Add two negatives, add in the usual way, and the answer is negative. So that would be -40. In number 3, we're subtracting a negative, and we're going to remember the phrase, subtract a negative turns into add a positive. Or another way of viewing this is two negatives in a row turn into a single positive. So this becomes 10 plus 40, which is 50. Here we have that same situation. We have two negatives in a row. We're subtracting a negative, which is going to turn into adding a positive. Again, two negatives in a row turn into a single positive. So here we have a -25, and we're adding 75. So we're adding a positive and a negative. So we're going to do the rule that we subtract, take sign of bigger. Subtract 75, subtract 25 is 50, and the larger is positive. So that would be a +50. And now we're combining a few numbers in a row, and we'll just do this left to right. So we'll start with 2 subtract 7. That's a smaller subtract a bigger, so the answer will be negative. 2 subtract 7, -5. Subtract, make sure the answer is negative, smaller minus bigger. So we have -5, and I'm going to just copy over the rest. And again, I'm just going to start on the left. -5 plus 3, that's a positive and a negative. Subtract, take sign of bigger. So we subtract 3, subtract 5 is 2, and that will be a -2. Okay, copy the rest over. Bring those down and continue. Now we're doing -20, -8. We're going to treat this as an addition. A -20 and a -8 is a -28. When we add two negatives, we add in the usual way, and the answer is negative. Bring down this +10. And now we're adding a positive and a negative, so we're going to subtract, take sign of bigger. So 28 subtract 10 is 18, and the number that's larger in absolute value is negative, so the answer is negative.